Boogie boards go underneath, make you float better. Alright. Well, one person's out with 3 people. I don't know what either.
Oh, the fed him got him.
Your shirt, damn it.
So you're gonna get on? Awesome.
How are you gonna fit? Oh, you can go between Lucas. There's a nice little soft spot right there. No. Where are you gonna sit?
I'm just in the front.
Why'd you try and get it on first?
You guys gotta push me.
You started like. Oh, hey, wait, Greg. Here. I'll help you guys out. Greg, you need to get in, and then Lucas needs to get on last on D-Rock's last row. Not on the very front. Here. Alright, my phone. I'll get on if it is.
Riverboat gambling trips.
That'd be so tight if we had one of those.
Yeah.
Boat Navy SEAL.
Stay even.
They have beach cruisers on the boat.
Why am I helping you?
Oh. It's oil and poop in there.
Yeah, it's oil and shit. That's all it is.
Oh shit.
Oh, please.
Please.
No, there's too much water in here now. Oh my god.
What fucking idea.
This is so stupid. Why are you guys so dumb? Let's try it again. Oh my god, why are you guys still trying? I do not understand. How's the water taste?
It tastes like crap.
Because it is.
It is crap. Even dogs are fucking
You guys have to dump all that
It's
water
disgusting.
out. I can smell it on them. It's disgusting. It's poop and oil.
Why is there a towel?
Oh wow. Smart guys, huh?
Oh my god.